Hi there, Chelsea here, and I'm going to show you how to use the assignment feedback feature on the SonoSim Performance Tracker. With assignment feedback, instructors can easily give feedback on ultrasound images. On the Performance Tracker homepage, click on Assignment Feedback. Here you can set the filters for the subgroups, learners, and the modules that you would like to provide image feedback for. Let's select subgroup Class of 2020. Select all the users that belong to the subgroup here. Now let's select the Fundamentals of Ultrasound Core Clinical module. You will see a list of selected points on the right side of the screen. You can modify the selected cases as well as the selected points by clicking on the drop-down on each module as seen on the screen. To view the images and provide feedback, click on Evaluate Images. On this page, you can provide detailed feedback to learners on their saved images. You can also see which images are missing. Provide detailed feedback on the learner's images by typing directly into the text box below an image. Instructors can enter feedback on multiple images and for multiple learners. Typing in a text box will create a draft, which will autosave. Drafts are saved from session to session, so closing the page and returning later will not clear drafts. You may make your feedback visible to learners in one of two ways. To individually publish a draft, click the Publish button below each text box. To publish all drafts at once, click the Publish All Drafts button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click Yes if you are ready to publish the feedback. Once you have published feedback for an image, you will not be able to modify it. Your learners will be notified of any unread feedback when they log into the Performance Tracker. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any remaining questions, please contact our SonoSim support team at 855-873-7666 or by emailing support@sonosim.com.